All right, welcome back. I've got the assistant again.
Hi.
So last night we did some cleaning. Today we're gonna continue the cleaning, or he's gonna continue the cleaning. And I'm gonna start working on the engine. So what I got going on over here is, if you saw, we had the water leaking out of the block. So I've got to get those plugs and put those in. So what I think I'm gonna do, since I looked down in there, I couldn't find the plugs when they got removed, so I don't know where they're at. I'm gonna go see if I can take them off our donor boat. And then I'll put them on here. There's gonna be a lot of stuff that we take off that donor boat, so stay tuned for that. I'm most likely gonna take the whole serpentine belt system is gonna go on there, and then it's got a fancy OEM fuel pump. We're gonna probably use that and some other things. We'll get into it later. But I think that's it. Let's roll the intro. There's a lot of pressure over here. Okay, got my $13 smoothie, 2 rusty nuts, the ambulance, the welder. What does that mean? Okay, I found the plugs. They're part of the stuff I pulled out earlier. So I put those plugs in. So actually, technically we could start it right now and run it, but CJ's still working on cleaning. So we're doing that. He's still got to clean both sides. And I started working on the gauges. So I pulled this out. There's just a couple of screws that hold it in. And then there's my amplifier in the back. He'll pull audio guy. So our voltmeter doesn't work. So we're going to pull that out. And our tack doesn't work. So we're going to pull that out. And we'll probably go ahead and pull the speedo and some other stuff. But my main concerns is the voltmeter, the tack, and the fuel gauge. The water temp we'll have to check. It was working before, so we'll see if it's working now. I gotta pull those gauges off the other boat to make those work. So I'm gonna take you over to the other boat right now and do that. All right, so the boat got shoved out here to the back 40. I tried putting the top on, but those straps are so rotted and UV whatever that they all popped. This one popped, I tied it back, and then I tried to attach the back one, it popped. I tied it and it popped again, so we're just left with this. Ugh. Oh no, stuck. Okay, so yeah, I want to get some of these gauges out and clean them up and see how good they turn out. So fuel, volt, maybe tack, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so we have a couple options on how we can pull this out, right? We can pull the steering wheel off and then pull this whole console off, which I think is just a stud there, and 2 screws on top. Or we can go underneath the boat, underneath the console, and then just do it all from under here. So I got plenty of room. I'm laying down in here. There's a fuse block I could probably use. So I think we're just gonna do that. It seems like it's easier than removing that steering wheel, because sometimes steering wheels are a pain in the butt. So let's get to it. All right, we got the gauge. We cleaned it up. I just finished tightening up the bolts. Now we're gonna see if it works. Probably should have tested it before. CJ.
Yeah.
Turn the battery on. See where it says off, 1 and all. Put on all. As soon as he turns that on, this gauge should come up. And I don't know if you can see how clean that turned out and how musty the old ones were, but it cleaned up pretty nice. Okay, it works. Looks pretty accurate too. All right, that's one thing down. Now, what's next? What is next, CJ? Fuel gauge? We need to work on the fuel gauge, right? I'm gonna see if I can clean those connections back there. Maybe it's just a loose wire or something.
Okay, we forgot to show you the inside after we cleaned everything up. So, let's see. We have that little seat there. We have that seat too. We're missing the top piece. I don't know where it is. And then we have that. I guess you can call it a seat. And if you're going on a boat ride, you probably won't see a giant house and a bunch of trees outside the window, but we're not on the boat ride yet. Anything you want to say?
I think I might have fixed this fuel gauge.
Oh, yeah.
All the connections were loose.
Oh, well that's not good. Okay guys, we'll see you later.
Okay, CJ's got both sides cleaned up, it looks like. Our plugs are in. I fixed the fuel gauge. It was just, for some reason, the fuel gauge didn't have a ground wire. It wasn't grounded. It had a ground wire going from the tank to the gauge itself, but the gauge itself wasn't grounded. So I fixed that. Now it works. Voltage works. Didn't do anything with the tach yet. So now we're going to start this baby up and see if our water temperature works. So CJ,
Yep.
go out there and
Turn on the water.
turn the water on. So yeah, we got voltage, we got fuel. If we move the boat around, the fuel moves around. No, I did not say anything about the screwdriver we found at the bottom of the engine bay. Yeah, that thing's had seen some better days. Go ahead, turn the water on. Let's do this. Oh, and it's hot out here. It's hot. I want to get that tach working. Water's on. I probably need to pump it. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3. That doesn't sound good. That's just that stupid battery's not good connection. There it goes. Okay. Oil pressure's good. Voltage is not good. Let me get a little bit of throttle. Let's see if we can. Yeah. Okay. Slowly coming up. We might have to replace that alternator. I don't like that. Oil pressure bouncing around, but I mean it's good. All right, we need to watch this water temp. That's what we're looking for, water temp. Make sure it's working. Okay, we're back at the 13 on the voltage. Fully idle. Pull down. Well, I guess it is idle. It seems a little high for idle. Okay. I guess it's okay. Get this thing warmed up. Water coming out the back. We gotta check the water, see, make sure it's circulating. Our steering is gone dry. I'm gonna go get some fluid while we're letting it warm up. You know what's not running? Our fuel pump is not running. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off until it warms up. Okay, it's warming up, so that's working. What's not working is our steering is bound up.
That's moving.
Yeah, that's the steering cable. All right, good news, bad news. Good news is alternator's working good, temperature's working, fuel's working, oil pressure's working. Bad news is it's not steering. I disconnected the power steering and tried to move this at all, and I don't think it's budging. Oh, it is budging. Okay. So I think we just need to lube it up. Let me work on that, lube up this steering so we can actually steer the boat. Okay, so steering is stuck. CJ, need you to operate the helm. We need to try and move this shaft. So I sprayed a little bit of WD-40 on it. We're gonna try and move it back and forth. There's a grease fitting. It looks like it's never been greased. And probably because it's a pain in the ass to get to. I mean, look at that thing. If this was actually attached, you're not getting a grease gun on there. Like, it just doesn't fit. So now I have it disconnected. We're gonna go ahead and grease it once we get it free. So CJ, turn the steering wheel towards the starboard side. Keep turning as hard as you can. Keep going. Keep going. It's moving. It's moving. Keep going. Looks like it's getting easier. Come on. I think you're almost there. Just a little bit more.
At the end.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring it back in. The other way. Port, 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 port.
All the way?
All the way. Okay, come starboard. All the way. And I'm gonna try and line you up with the steering. Well, actually, no, we need to grease it first. Just keep going. Look at him go. Is it getting easier or harder?
It's getting easier.
Okay. I'll tell you what. Keep going back and forth. All the way one way and all the way the other way. And I'm gonna go get the grease gun. How's it going?
Pretty good. I'm getting tired.
It's getting easier?
It's not doing really much of anything. It's just like turning. Yeah, it's kind of staying the same. It's a lot easier than when I started though.
Okay. I don't know exactly how this is constructed. When I'm pumping this grease in, I'm seeing some bubbles and stuff coming out of the... See that? Going right there. All right, CJ, turn port. I think we're pushing out a bunch of water and stuff. Got it full of grease.
Well, the thing's moving so much. Let's close the toolbox.
Yeah. I wonder if there's a limit to how much grease you're supposed to put in there. You can't go any further?
Well, I tried and it clicked, and so no, I don't think so. It
All right.
got really hard.
Go again. The more grease it's had in its life. Oh yeah, so much easier. Come on back, CJ. What the hell is that? What the hell is shorting out back there? All right, CJ, turn it more port. Oh, that's air. That's what that is.
Oh.
Keep going. Yeah, we're forcing that grease out. Here, let me do it.
Try to break the steering wheel. Or my hands.
Okay. Look at all that. So there was some grease in there. We put red grease in, so. All right, CJ. Turn it starboard. And I'm gonna try and line this back up. Okay, slow, slow, slow. All right, go. Okay, keep going. Keep going slow.
At the end.
I mean, you're not. Okay, go a little more.
I can't, it's at the end.
Can't be. Oh, I guess I can push it myself. Okay, now run this cotter pin through. All right, now we should have steering.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put this back here, go turn the water on, and then we'll start the boat again and make sure everything works. I'll need you to be down here, making sure this is working properly back here. I'll turn the water on. Stay right there.
Okay.
Okay. So what we're looking for steering, you're gonna make sure it turns both ways. And then we're also testing the prop. Got to spin one way and then spin the other. Okay. All right. On. Oh my gosh, why does it do that? Oh, come on. This to me. I think I have a bad tooth on the flywheel. I gotta see if I can rotate the crank. If I gotta do this on the water, I'm gonna be upset. Okay. Turning. Is it all the way? Yeah? All the way the other way? Okay. We're gonna test the prop now. We're gonna test the prop. It is? It does spin? Is it going the other way? It is? Now nothing? Okay. All right. Should be good. It sucks about that flywheel, so I guess I'll have to address that. But let's get this interior put together so we can actually go out on this boat. Oh, here we go. All right, turn it off, CJ.